video is for the small dorm fridge type refrigerator. So we're going to test the compressor start relay here. You have 3 terminals, 1, 2, and 3. So one prong is already attached to number 1. So you touch number 2 with your continuity tester, and you have continuity. So 1 and 3 should also have continuity. So the starter relay is good. Next test is for the PTC relay. I have clips on one terminal, and I just touch the other terminal to check to see if there's continuity. This is normally closed, so this is good.